What's up, YouTube? I'm out in Simi Valley with Kyle and Big Chris. This is his birthday today with Zabo, Mario, and then Adam's in the car. Got some e-assistants.
Any day, today is probably a day you meet.
Yeah. I'm sick, guys. Don't judge me. So I feel like shit. I'm tested negative for COVID, so I don't have COVID, but I have a super sore throat. I lost my voice yesterday. I was actually on the segments podcast last night with Mario, and luckily I was able to get my voice right before the podcast. I served 5 years. I went to juvie first, and then I got sent to CYA. But it was really cool to do it. Mark asked if it was okay for us to dive into my childhood upbringing and being locked up, and so I went into depth with that. Something I'm not always comfortable with doing, but I've been more open to sharing my story to help other kids not go down the same path and make the same mistakes. So if you want to see that, I'll put a link in the description for the podcast. Hey YouTube, what's up? Well, it's Simi Valley. Big Booty Chris, Adam, Kyle, Zabo, Mario. This is our first ride back with Zabo from his knockout. Zabo, you're good. You're good.
Zabo, wake up.
Zabo.
Breathe, Zabo, breathe.
Took off like a week or two. He's back. Yes. Yeah. He just woke up. He just woke up a few hours ago. So he's with us today.
Doesn't know what year it is?
Yeah. This is Big Booty Chris's birthday today, so we're gonna be riding, and after we're gonna go back to his pad and barbecue.
Get drunk.
Yeah. Alright, ride safe.
That's it, don't stop recording.
Alright, this is the Grudge. I'm following Kyle. Whoa. Oh, that's different right there. Whoa. Oh my god, I oversent that. Holy shit, roosted that shit. Dude, I kind of went too far too. My ass hit my tire, dude.
Really? Yeah. It's all straightforward. Clear the knuckle.
Chris is
and then fucking
coaching Kyle how to hit this big nasty set down. All right, here we go. Oh fuck yeah! Oh shit! Oh shit!
fuck, 40-foot gap?
Shit, dude. Yeah, that's a big one, man.
Shit.
Sketchy, dude.
Do it.
Yep. Right safe. Yeah. Oh!
Carbon fiber.
Did you hear that? Oh shit. You alright? What happened? Oh shit, you went down?
Yeah. I went to chilling. Fuck yeah, I went to one of the bars, man.
Alright, safe. Extra safe.
Feel like you want to go through this fast.
Ew, squirrely. Oh, I missed it. Fuck. Yeah. I need to switch my tires over. Got no treads on these. Oh, fuck. I can smell Chris's brakes. I smell your brakes, girl. All right. We're heading back up to Dirty Bird. Zalbo took a big crash and he's not feeling good. He probably got concussion again. Mario's lungs are not doing too well. He's just tired. So it's just me, Kyle, Big Booty Chris, and Adam. I honestly shouldn't even be going on this lap. I feel like shit myself. But I really like Dirty Bird, so let's see how it goes. All right, I just ran into Tom over here on the climb up. He watches the channel.
Ready?
Yeah, right safe. All right, Dirty Bird.
It's the Thugger Sluggers Ball.
Trail maintenance. Gangsta. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Hey, tell Adam. Hey, hold on.
Adam, there's a big crater. Man, this trail is kind of fucked up right now. Oh. Whoa. There's a chute. Whoa, nice. That actually felt a lot better than it did last time. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Oh.
I just got, dude, I lost my pedal. I barely had like a little bit of my pedal. through that section. I almost hit this rock right here.
Oh my god.
Using my bike. Yeah.
You guys are flying. Adam. Right safe. Trail maintenance. Oh yeah, I feel like shit. Oh my god. Alright, we're hitting fence line. This is my first time here. Drop, Adam. Oh yeah, that's deep. Oh, that's dope. That's really dope. Oh, boy, I almost went off the curb. That was cool. Hell yeah. I slid right into that thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
It just, yeah, I just fucking let go. Like I skidded into it and I let go of my brakes and it just shot me right perfectly.
Yeah, they're perfect. Catch
Yeah.
Sure. No. Cheers. Birthday
Cheers,
boy.
guys.
Cheers, happy birthday, Chris.
Happy birthday, Chris.
This is Reckless Rider's carbon repair.
Put that on behind the scenes.
Put on the versus tire and switch it to push. Oh damn! Motherfucking champ.
Happy birthday to you.
Another trick. You gotta keep blowing.
Oh shit!